Good morning, America. This just in, there is a blizzard in Boston. Now we go to you live at the storm with Abe.
Today, it will be 10 degrees because it has to be cold in the blizzard. Tomorrow, it will be 15 degrees because of the warm front is making its way through. The next day, it will be 20 degrees because the warm front has gone through. Today, there will be snow and a blizzard. There's a lot of rain and it is cold enough to freeze. Tomorrow, there will be less snow than yesterday, and the next day, there will be slight snow because of the end of the storm. The winds, there will be an 8-mile-an-hour eastern distance of pressure systems today. There will be an eastern 10-mile-an-hour wind, and the systems will be closer. And the next day, there will be an eastern 12-mile-an-hour wind because the systems are closer together. The cloud coverage today will be almost 100% because of all the snow. Tomorrow, there will be a 75% because there will be less snow. And the next day, there will be 50% because there will be barely any snow. There will be a warm front today coming from the ocean. Tomorrow, it will also be warm coming from the ocean. And the next day, it will also be a warm front from the ocean. The pressure systems for today will be low. There will be a low pressure system. Tomorrow, low. And then the next day, low. It hasn't moved away yet. The storm influences. The humidity from the ocean joining with the cold air condenses. Tomorrow, still some humidity coming, but not as much as precipitation. And the next day will be less humidity, causing less snow. Miguel! Goodness! I'm done anyway, so it's too. And now we are joined by Jim.
It's gonna snow. There's a big snow warning right on top of us. I just can't wait for that watch where it moves out of the way.
Thank you, Abe and Jim. Today, make sure you bring your measuring stick with you to measure how much snow we get. The next day, you can use a wind vane to see which direction the wind is coming from.
Fun facts with Haru. Lately, some people have just been wondering, I don't know this already, but they just wonder about these global winds and how they affect our local weather. And it's like, I just keep on preaching that, it just takes the western stuff, and then with all these westerlies, just goes and puts it towards the eastern stuff, So we get all that western weather out in the east, and then so that's how that works, if you're wondering. And then everyone's been like, it's such a big blizzard. How could this even happen? This is like not even possible. And then I'm like, well, actually it is, because, science. And then it just takes all of the stuff from we have this warm front. It just takes the stuff from the Atlantic Ocean, and then it pushes all that humidity over us. And when that humidity and moisture it mixes with all the cold, then bam,